Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today, we are diving into more of the new and trending ecosystems campaign on Layer 3. We have Puffer Finance, Mode Network, Particle Network, Initia, Mint, Aleo, T-Vera, and Scroll. I don't know if I'll get to all of these today. I'll try and knock all of these out, actually. But before we actually get started in this video, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now don't forget, Layer 3 is still doing their season 3, which just started after their token launch, where you can stake your tokens and earn rewards. And also they have little campaigns that contribute to, or special rewards that contribute, like these interoperability campaigns, special rewards for staking, exclusive for people who stake a certain amount. So you get rewards from there. You get the cubes, which will still contribute to future rewards. And yeah, a lot of cool features for locking your tokens up on Layer 3. And also don't forget, they do have this trophy road where you can increase your XP, which I will do right now. That way I can get my maximum XP when doing this. So if you do need any help navigating this, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. We have a lot of amazing people in the community that can help answer just about any questions you have. If not, we can point you in the right direction. So with that, thank you so much to everyone that's in there, all the people in the community, and those who are new, thank you for joining. Now let's dive in. Let's have some fun. All right, I'm gonna just open up 4 of these. Yeah, we'll do half and half. So Puffer Finance. Puffer is a decentralized protocol that makes running Ethereum proof-of-stake validators more accessible and rewarding through native liquid restaking. These are key features: permissionless liquid staking, enhanced rewards. So you can restake on Puffer on the Ethereum mainnet, which I'm not going to do because it's a little pricey. So learn more about Puffer and their rewards mechanisms, incentives, and that's about it. So Puffer Finance, if it wasn't on Ethereum mainnet, we'd do it, but swap on Mode Network via the Kim exchange. So any amount of any token on the Kim exchange. So we go ahead and mint your cube on this other quest. All right, Kim exchange. Now, all of the links will be in the description of this video, so keep that in mind. We're gonna go to the Modes network. What do I even have on the Modes? I got some Easy ETH. We're gonna check some Easy ETH. Easy ETH and all the money he took. Ooh, okay. We'll actually swap all of it. Approve your swap, or that's the approval. And then once that is approved, we will swap. I'm thinking a liquidity pool, right? Proceed to swap. Swap your Easy ETH for the ETH. And once that confirms, let's see if we can get this. Yep. All right. Next up, Particle Network. They just launched their testnet, which Particle is a cutting-edge Layer 1 blockchain designed to unify all chains through universal accounts, addressing Web3 fragmentation and enhancing user convenience. You can join Particle testnet, which I haven't done too much on. I should jump more. I should dive back into this because I didn't have a great experience when first getting on. But yeah, we do want to check out this testnet a bit further. So deposit universal gas. So we are going to join. Okay, it looks like it has to be. So they don't support Rabby, which is a little, no, anywhere? Yeah, that's, so if you can't, looks like you have to do it via MetaMask, but I guess they accept it anyways. Yeah, I'll make another video on Particle and getting in that ecosystem. But next up, Initia, which I am currently waiting to finish the week 4 part of the testnet. So Initia is a blockchain designed to simplify the multi-chain experience by integrating architecture, product, and economic systems, offering a unified platform for interwoven rollups. You can claim the Initia faucet, claim testnet funds. You do need your Gitcoin passport, at least like 2 points or something. So the faucet, yeah, 20. That's if, okay. Yeah, I think you can do it without the Gitcoin passport, but it only allows you to get a couple tokens, which is fine. Okay, now that we've finished those 4, we're going to knock these next 4 out. So Mint, Aleo, T-Vera, and Scroll. Since we're already here, we're already rolling with it. Gonna claim these real quick. All right, Mint blockchain is an L2 built on OP stack, focusing on the NFT ecosystem. The vision of Mint is to create a decentralized network where anyone can freely participate in creating NFT asset protocol standards and issuing NFT assets. You can bridge to Mint mainnet from Optimism. I've bridged to the mainnet before, but you can come here, connect your wallet, pick from any one of these. We'll check out Base. Do I have anything on the Mint blockchain already? If I do, I'm not going to worry about it. Yeah, I got $1 something. A little bit of ETH. Throw a couple more dollars at it. Oh, and the destination transaction. Yeah, I'll wait to send a little more over, but that's how you bridge over, and there you go. We flying through these. So Aleo, I know that some rumors that they're going to launch their token soon, and that would be cool. Aleo is a layer 1 blockchain that's zero knowledge by design. Its mission is to build a platform for Web3 applications that are performant, secure, and private. It's the only platform that is private by default, ensuring no minor extractable value or front running. Furthermore, program execution happens off-chain, allowing Aleo to support programs of arbitrary size with unlimited runtime. This also means it's possible to know exactly how much any execution costs before it runs. Pretty fancy stuff. You can download the Leo wallet, which we've done in the past. You can join their Discord, which I've done, but we'll skip that for now. Go on to T-Vera, which offers a one-stop shop Web3 gaming experience with fun games utilizing cross NFT characters powered by the ZK stack. In this quest, join Tiva Run and outsmart opponents on 15 maps using strategic power-ups like Moon Rocket, Wrecked Blade, Scam Punch, and more while avoiding rug pulls. Are you ready to race? Create an account and play a game. Go ahead and mint one of these cubes while we wait for that to load. Big bada boom. So T-Vera, continue with our Web3, sign it, seal it, and deliver it. So we can mint our gamer ID. Oh, gotta wait because I got a transaction going already. Okay, this is the T-Vera, Tavara. Okay, we've minted our ID. Let's verify. Now we play a game of Tavara Run. Let's skip that for now. BCR142, let's go. Let's go. Tiva Run. Okay, let's play on the web. We need to download the app. So jump up with the arrow, slide or slam down. Slam with the down arrow. Okay, while this loads, we will go on to the next one. Scroll. Make any transaction on the Scroll network. So what can we do? We can actually send tokens. We don't even need to you can do a token swap, you can send. So I'm just going to send 25 USDC, or 25 cents of USDC. A quota. All right, let's check this. We're waiting for that. So now I can verify this. Minted that cube. Go ahead and mint this cube. Make sure you have your XP, your 3x reward going, because you can get quite a bit. Looks like we got some screen sounds from the, okay, quick play. Okay, I can't do this right now, so we'll have to do that later, but come and play the game if you want. Okay, it looks like you can do this without playing the game, so there you go, even easier. Man, they make it so easy that you don't have to play the actual game. It's good to know about the ecosystem and the projects and stuff, but you don't really have to play the game. I don't like when they force you to do that, but here we go. We've minted our cubes, getting all kinds of good rewards. Even though the token prices of these projects have dropped quite a bit, there's still a lot of incentives that we can find. So there you go. Don't forget, mint all of your cubes. Let me see, do I have any more? No, I think I got them all. But remember, if you do need any help navigating this, jump in the Discord. The link is in the description below. And yeah, if you do have any questions, I will see you in there. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.